stand firm. With love and unity, our country will always be the same. This is what we stand for.